Hi, you are probably here because you are looking for an in-depth enhanced Writesonic review, so you are in the right place. In this Writesonic review, we are gonna run through exactly what is Writesonic, how does this work, how can Writesonic help you, how much does Writesonic cost, pros and cons of Writesonic. This way you could decide if this platform is worth joining. Now, if you don't know what Writesonic is, it is an AI tool for content generation that can generate unique and engaging content in seconds for business. How does it work? It all starts after creating a project. You will then be redirected to the main page where you will have to select the type of content which you need to generate. The best part about Writesonic is that you have many options for generating the content. You have the option to generate AI article, landing pages, article outline, article intros and outros, and much more. If you don't like the initial copy, you will always have the option to generate a new copy with just a click. You also have the option to edit the copy in the tool itself and export it after you are done editing. You will only have to enter the title of the topic and it will do it on its own. This makes Writesonic one of the best tools. To be honest with you, the intros generated were pretty awesome, but it still needs some human touch, okay? Writesonic currently has one free plan and 4 paid plans. It's actually free trial. Each comes with a different number of credits and sets of features available for use. Credits let you redeem for generating articles, landing pages, ads, product descriptions, and more. So for the free trial, you get 10 credits. It's about 5,000 words. It's nothing, but it's just to test the software if it's worth it or not. Their basic plan is $15 per month. It comes with 100 credits. Their economy plan is $25 per month. It comes with 750 credits. They also have 2 other plans for people or businesses that need higher usage. The professional plan, $45 per month, gives you unlimited credits per month. And lastly, their startup plan, $95 per month, gives you unlimited credits per month and also 2 seats. And by the way, these prices may change. For instance, to let their AI write a Google ad, you will need 1 credit. A blog entry requires 1 credit. A blog post generated by their AI article writer will ask you for 1 up to 7 credits. Number of credits of a blog post depends on the number of sections you will have or you have in your article outline. Every 2 sections costs 1 credit. Pros and cons of Writesonic. Pros: free trial gets all features, user-friendly interface. Cons: only 1 user is allowed in a professional plan worth $45 a month. Needs a human touch. To conclude this Writesonic review, Writesonic is a relatively new product and it stands in a pretty strong competition with other AI content generators. It's worth taking a look to see how it fits into your content marketing strategy as a whole. But don't forget that it relies on a specific database. More popular topics will take a bigger part of the content of the database. So for more specific content, it won't find a lot of relevant data. So before you invest your money in the premium version, you can start with the free version, free trial. Technically, this is extremely limited, but it will only take you a few minutes to figure out if it's actually work for your niche. If it does, you can switch to the monthly subscription. No credit card information is required to grab the free trial of Writesonic. So yeah, this is my honest review, and I'm sorry if I forget something in this review, but it's up to you to decide are you gonna give this website a shot or not. You can use my link in the description, that helps a lot, thank you so much. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, you can leave a like on the video, that helps me out in YouTube algorithm, and bye bye.